Real creatures exist that look like they were ripped from a sci-fi blockbuster. And you won't believe the strangest one is hidden in a place most people never explore. Stay tuned until number 1 to discover the ultimate surprise. Behold the leafy sea dragon, a creature whose leaf-like appendages make it look like a living alien plant drifting through kelp forests. Native to the coastal waters of southern Australia, this relative of the seahorse blends perfectly with seaweed, evading predators by sheer camouflage. Its ornate, ribbed body can reach up to 45 centimeters, and scientists believe its evolution mirrors ancient Devonian fish that once roamed the seas. While its vivid colors are a marvel, the leafy sea dragon's delicate nature means it thrives only in protected marine reserves. Watching it glide silently among the swaying algae feels like a scene from a futuristic oceanic saga, reminding us that some of the most extraordinary designs are already swimming beneath the waves.
Imagine the Saharan silver ant, a tiny insect that glitters like polished metal as it scuttles across scorching dunes. These ants have evolved reflective hairs that bounce sunlight, keeping their bodies just a few degrees cooler than the blistering air, allowing them to sprint at speeds up to 0.86 meters per second, remarkably fast for their size. Researchers estimate they can tolerate surface temperatures near 70 degrees Celsius, a feat few organisms can survive. Their synchronized foraging at midday, when predators hide, creates a shimmering wave across the sand, resembling a living mirage. Though their colonies are hidden beneath the dunes, the silver ant's dazzling appearance and extreme heat tolerance make it feel like a creature forged for a futuristic desert world.
Surprisingly, the leaf-tailed gecko of Madagascar sports a tail that mimics a dead leaf, complete with veins and brown mottling, allowing it to vanish among the forest floor. When threatened, it flattens its body and remains motionless, rendering it virtually invisible to both predators and prey. Scientists suggest this camouflage technique evolved over millions of years, providing a crucial survival edge in the island's dense understory. Though only a few centimeters long, its uncanny resemblance to decaying foliage has earned it the nickname living dead leaf. Spotting one is like catching a glimpse of a creature from a sci-fi jungle expedition, reminding us that evolution often writes the most convincing special effects.
Hidden among the endless white of the Arctic tundra, the translucent-skinned Arctic glass frog appears as a ghostly apparition when sunlight filters through its thin skin. Its body, barely a centimeter long, is so clear that internal organs are visible, creating a surreal, otherworldly effect. Researchers believe this translucency helps the frog blend with icy ponds and avoid avian hunters. While its population remains limited to remote boreal streams, the frog's ethereal appearance has inspired folklore of ice spirits among indigenous peoples. Observing this delicate amphibian is like watching a living hologram flicker across a frozen lake, a reminder that even the harshest climates can nurture astonishing adaptations.
Deep beneath the sunlit ocean, the barrel-eye fish inhabits the midnight zone with a transparent, dome-shaped head that houses upward-facing eyes capable of detecting the faintest glimmers of light. This bizarre anatomy, reportedly unique among vertebrates, enables the fish to spot silhouettes of prey silhouetted against the dim surface above. Its transparent cranium, filled with a gelatinous fluid, gives it an almost alien silhouette, as if a spacecraft had crashed into the abyss. Though only a few centimeters long, its otherworldly look and specialized vision have fascinated marine biologists for decades, suggesting that the deep sea is a frontier where evolution crafts truly extraterrestrial designs.
Few people know that the firefly squid of Japan's coastal waters can emit a pulsating blue-green light from each of its tiny arms, creating a mesmerizing underwater fireworks display. While primarily a marine species, its bioluminescent display has been documented in mangrove forests during high tides, where the glowing creatures appear to float like tiny lanterns among the roots. Researchers estimate that each squid can produce up to 500 flashes per minute, a rate that rivals the most advanced LED technology. This luminous ballet, observed by nighttime divers, feels like a scene from a futuristic underwater city, proving that nature's light shows can outshine any human invention.
Legendary among spelunkers, the Honduran troglodytic salamander lives its entire life in total darkness, its skin lacking any pigment, and its eyes reduced to vestigial spots. This blind amphibian navigates the subterranean river systems by sensing minute vibrations in the water, a sensory adaptation that researchers believe evolved over millions of years of isolation. Though only a few centimeters long, its pale, almost translucent body glides silently through the blackened chambers, giving the impression of a living phantom. Encountering this creature feels like stepping into a sci-fi cave where the line between biology and myth blurs, highlighting the mysterious depths of Earth's underground realms.
Mysterious in its aerial elegance, the harpy eagle boasts a crest of feathered horns that give it a regal, almost mythical silhouette against the cloud-filled sky. With a wingspan that can exceed 2 meters, this apex predator soars over the Amazon canopy, its striking black and white plumage contrasted by a vivid orange throat pouch. Indigenous legends often describe it as a guardian of the forest, a belief supported by its rare sightings and formidable hunting prowess. While its size and striking appearance are well documented, some local stories claim it can glide silently for hours without flapping, an ability that adds a layer of or akin to a living skyborne machine.
Uncanny as any neon sign, the fluorescent pink rabbit found in the forests of eastern Australia exhibits a rare genetic mutation that gives its fur a vivid pink hue, especially noticeable under moonlight. Scientists suspect this coloration results from a diet rich in certain pigments found in native berries, though the exact mechanism remains under study. While the rabbit's pink coat is striking, its behavior remains typical of its species: nocturnal foraging and swift burrowing. Spotting this luminous creature at dusk feels like encountering a living billboard, a reminder that even familiar animals can surprise us with unexpected, sci-fi-like traits.
Finally, the Yeti crab of hydrothermal vent fields thrives in the boiling, sulfur-laden waters of the deep ocean, its massive, hairy claws resembling the frozen limbs of a mythic monster. Covered in dense setae that host symbiotic bacteria, the crab farms these microbes to convert toxic chemicals into nourishment, a process scientists liken to a living, walking chemical factory. Estimates suggest the crab can endure temperatures up to 80 degrees Celsius, far beyond the tolerance of most marine life. Its alien appearance, combined with its remarkable survival strategy, makes it feel like a creature from another planet colonizing Earth's most extreme frontiers, perfectly capping our tour of nature's sci-fi marvels.
What a journey through nature's own sci-fi studio. From the eerie glow of abyssal dwellers to the shimmering silhouettes of desert mirages, each animal reminded us how wildly inventive evolution can be. If you loved uncovering these living legends, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next mind-blowing list. New wonders arrive every week. Which of today's bizarre beasts left you the most astonished? Let me know in the comments below, and give this video a like if it sparked your curiosity. Thanks for watching, and keep marveling at the extraordinary world around us.